Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a navigation menu in Notion. So, first thing you're going to do is open up Notion. Make sure you're clicked inside your template where you can see press space for AI/4 commands. There are two ways that we can create a navigation menu. We can have it where it is linked to pages that we already have existing, or we can link pages within a page. So think of Learning Notion as your homepage, and then the page that we're going to create is going to be our subpage. So I'm going to show you how we can link our pages over here that are already pre-existing, and then I will show you the second option as well. So we're making sure we're clicked inside our Notion, we're going to press the /4 commands and we are going to type in link to page. Link to page is the prompt that you are going to use, and it's going to give you all of your pages that you have over here in the side panel. So I'm going to go down to page one. Once I click page one, it becomes a clickable link. Once I click on this, it's going to bring me to this page that we have created over in the side panel. Now, let's go back and let's do the second one. So, same thing, make sure you're clicked inside / on the keyboard and you're going to type in page. You're going to select page. And once you do that, you can see if you look at the top, your homepage is technically Learning Notion in this scenario. And then this is the new page. So this is a sub page. So I'm just going to name it, I'll actually name it page three just because I have a page two and something else. So that is my new page. And then once I click on page three, it brings me back to that. Now, the reason that I made this page three is if you look over in my side panel of all of my templates, you can see that there is no page three. So this page is only linked within the Learning Notion because it is technically a subpage. So if you are creating your navigation menu to be linked to other pages over in your side panel, you'll use the first option. If you are looking to create pages inside of your page, you're going to use option number two. And that is how you can create some navigation menus in your Notion. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful as well. Thanks. Bye.